ಕೊರೋನಾ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ನಿಂದಾಗಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಹಾನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಬಿದ್ದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಹಾನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಇವೆಂಟ್ಗಳು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾಗಿ ಈ ಮಾರ್ಚ್, ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್, ಮೇ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಈ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಬಹುದೊಡ್ಡ ಲಾಭ ತರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಮಯ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಬಾರಿ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನುಂಗಿ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಇದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೊಡೆತ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅನಂತ್ಯ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ನಿವೇದಿತಾ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ಮೇಡಮ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಹಾನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ವೈಭೋಗವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ?
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್, ಮೆಜಾರಿಟಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇ ಆಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಟ್ ಆರ್ ವೆನ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವರು ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1000, ಅಂದರೆ 1000 ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವೆನ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದು 50 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 50 is allowed, so it's getting very difficult for them to accept that a wedding which they planned for such a big number has now reduced so much drastically. So adu bandu they keep talking to us, expressing their issues. So first bandu number of people which the government has allowed, because 50 jana andre they can do it in their house, illandre they can book a smaller banquet hall, because nam jaga bandu minimum 1000 ge packs bandu ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So that has become a very big issue now. Apart from that, clients have developed a sense of fear. They have a sense of fear that if we will be doing it with all the precautions, social distancing, and we have always assured them that social distancing and hygiene, everything we will follow, and we will make sure that the event is done successfully. Despite our efforts, ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅವರು ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್, ಅದು ಓನ್ಲಿ 50 ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ the catering as well as the decoration team of ours. So we all have mostly labor from out of Bangalore, from Calcutta, Bihar. So our bandu ನಮ್ಮ venue alli permanent employees. So almost 300-350 employees we have permanent in terms of decoration and tent managers, etc. So this has already reduced by half, because people have gone back to their hometowns. They don't want to be in Bangalore because of lot of issues. And this is our peak season. So March, April, May, June tanka namdu highest business happens in these months. So this has become a very big hit on our revenue. So we have had zero revenue from April, and 30 events from March till now, June tanka, we have lost 30 events in a span of 3 months, which is a huge loss for us.
ಇವಾಗ ಮೇಯ್ನ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ರೀಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾಲೆಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ?
It is very challenging, because a wedding usually jana book ಮಾಡೋದು almost 1 year ಮುಂಚೆನೇ book ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, especially the auspicious dates, the most peak dates, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ 1 year ಮುಂಚೆನೇ book ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So they have booked, most of our bookings are all minimum 1 year 6 months prior. So ivaga bandu some clients have agreed for our refund policy, and they are willing to wait until business starts. But majority clients are also having issues, alva, because they also have their own family issues, they have problems with their business, so even their incomes have stopped, so they want a refund. So in this kind of a situation, even for us to give a refund is becoming difficult, because of zero revenue plus our overheads. Business is there or not there, every month we will have our overheads of rent or housekeeping, because it's very difficult to maintain such a big venue. It's almost 3.5 acres. So adu maintenance madodu, nam housekeeping staff, everybody we have to pay. So refund is very difficult for us now. So we are actually trying to convince our clients to at least agree for maybe like a credit note, so that next 1 year they can choose any date and have it in some other date, or at least give us time till the end of the year so that we can arrange funds and do a refund.
ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಲೇಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಹೌಸ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ?
So now bandu illi stay we are providing, and apart from that we have also decided, like the management has collectively decided to give at least 60 to 65% of the salary, which will at least, like they can at least sustain their livelihood, and also they have to send money back to their family who's not in Bangalore. So for that we are taking care of them, but it will be difficult if this goes on for some more months. I don't know for how long we'll be able to do it. For the event industry, for weddings, I'm sure you must be knowing how the Indian wedding system is. 50 members will only go in their staff. So 50 members, no, it's very difficult for us to convince our client to book a venue of such a big magnitude for 50 people. So that if the government could, increase that to at least 33% occupancy, which will be around 300-350, even then that will be very helpful for us. So this is something which we should all talk to the government, and because I don't think they're paying much attention to this industry. The reasons are unknown to me, but we have not got any help from the government side, from Karnataka government or central government. So it's only a request from the entire event fraternity to give us the guidelines and permissions to at least conduct a decent crowd, at least 300-350 to start with at least, but 50 is very difficult for us to even survive at this time. We can hope for things to get stable, if not better, at least stabilize. But we just have to move on. We have to accept that corona is going to stay with us for a long time, and we have to take precautions, and we have to move on. So along with this, our season, as I told you, March, April, May, June is our season. After that, July, August, September, October tanka namdu season ashtu high alli iralla. Next season start agodu bandu in the month of November. So fingers crossed, we are just hoping that from November onwards the season and the industry will pick up. But for all this we definitely need the government's help, because without guidelines from the government, without them telling us how to do the events and giving us permissions for like the increase of the people, it's not possible. But hopefully our season, at least for our next season, we should be able to sustain till November so that we can start events like before.
ಈ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಈ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್, ಈ ಇಶ್ಯೂಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನಾದರೂ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್?
ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮದು 18% ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿದು. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 3 months ಆಫ್ ಝೀರೋ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ, ನಮ್ಮದು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 30 ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್. So because of the huge losses that my company has borne in all these 3 months, we would definitely expect some relaxations towards the GST, maybe a decrease in the percentage for this sector, because this sector is definitely one of the most and worst hit sector. Nam wedding industry, event industry, it is the worst hit. So
thank you
so much.
ಎಸ್, ಇದು ಅನಂತ್ಯ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ನಿವೇದಿತಾ ಅವರ ಮಾತು. ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಧ್ವನಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.